Everett, say hi.
Hi.
Everett, tonight is Tuesday, April 9th, 2013, and you are 3.5. You just turned 3.5 4 days ago. And you have a very interesting personality. We love you very much for it. And can you say, what's your full name? Do you know?
Everett.
Everett Rue. Good. Do you know what your middle name is?
Yeah.
What's your middle name?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin?
Yeah.
Okay, Pumpkin, can you go show me what you like to do with the lock?
Yeah.
Yeah, show me what you do with the safety lock. Oh, that's great. Okay. Awesome. I love you, buddy. Come here, give me a kiss. Come here, give me kisses. Okay. Mwah. Thank you. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.